Shenzhen HR Tenda Technology Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer of EAS RF-AM, RFID antenna, board, deactivators. Besides, we cooperate with reliable factories for accessories. EAS products are widely used for enthusiasts in supermarket, various retail shop, high-end shopping malls, and library. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. At present in whole China, original EAS factory with direct export is below 3%, but we are original factory with direct export right 14 years. We can offer factory prices with professional after-sales technology support. In addition, we also could provide OEM and ODM services for overseas customers. Till now, HR Tenda has successfully built customer relationships all over the world through Alibaba, Made in China, distributors, and exhibitions. Main customers are distributors and wholesalers. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. Advanced production equipment, leading detection instrument, and sound quality management system have guaranteed the excellent quality of our EAS. On base of mutual benefits and fairness, we have gained reliable reputations among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive price. We warmly welcome customers from the world to establish cooperation for win-win.